in particular, Madam Speaker, there is one, Mr. Kiptuya, who teaches in Makimeny Primary School, 45 years, about to go to retirement at 60, and yet, Madam Speaker, he is unemployed. There are such and several cases within our country, and it's about time that we consider this kind of unfairness to our youth, this kind of unfairness to the people who went to school, who went to their colleges, who sacrificed their earnings so that they can take their children and their siblings to school, and yet they have never been employed. And Mr. Kiptuya case is trending all over, and as the area member of parliament, I have had a discussion with TSC, and hopefully he is going to be considered in the coming recruitment, because it is sorry for one to be at 45 years, 46 years, and we expect him to work for 15 years to retire. At that particular age, he will not be fruitful, and any other person will not be fruitful. On acting, Madam Speaker, for someone to have acted for more than 3 years, normally they are compromised, because the appointing authority normally scares them. Their work is normally jeopardized. And Madam Speaker, it is necessary that we now have it at a maximum of 12 months, after which the authorities should be able to advertise for the positions and correctly fill them, so that we have persons who are substantial in those particular positions who can be able to deliver without fearing anyone. These cases, Madam Speaker, are so rampant in our counties. You find a CEO who has been acting for more than 4 years. Normally, they fail to deliver eventually, because they always fear losing their jobs from the appointing authority. Madam Speaker, once again, I would like to reiterate, and even seeing next to me is the chairperson for education. The issue of our teachers is really scaring. I want to repeat again, Madam Speaker, 45 years of age, Kiptuya from Makimeny, yet to be employed. He is to retire officially when we have now this regulation being considered as a law. It is something that we need to look into as a country, and we, the leadership that have been given the powers now, have to find a solution for the same. Thank you so much, Madam Speaker. I want to support. Thank you.
Thank you. Member for Garissa Township, not in the House. Honorable